Hi, I'm Aaron Welch. I'm a first-year neuroscience student at Michigan State. I'm a PhD student. I did my undergraduate studies at Hope College, and I was a chemistry major before moving to East Lansing. I became interested in neuroscience while at Hope College. Like I said, I was studying chemistry and wanted to try to apply that to a more human levels, human disease type things, and so I minored in neuroscience before coming here because I wanted to apply some of the more molecular stuff that I learned to human and animal models that study diseases and things that affect more of the human population.
It's challenging first and foremost, but I think it's really exciting. You're constantly thinking of new ideas and you're learning new techniques to test out your ideas, which I think is just really cool. And most of the time you are troubleshooting these techniques, but you'll never be bored. So I find that really fun.
The research that I'm working on at MSU is looking at a neuromuscular disorder called Kennedy's disease, which is very similar to ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease. This disease is typically thought of as originating in the motor neurons, which are extending down from the spinal cord. And because these motor neurons die, the muscle isn't connected to those motor neurons anymore and isn't used. And because the lack of use of those muscles is occurring, the muscles begin to die. What's really interesting about our model is that we have created the disease solely in the muscle, and we still get the disease, which means that the muscle could be a unique place of interest for treating the disease. And because muscles are so much easier than motor neurons to treat, it could lead to some novel treatments for Kennedy's disease, but also potentially other neuromuscular disorders such as ALS.
I'd like to find some balance of research and teaching. I don't know exactly what that balance will be, but I think that research informs teaching and teaching informs research. So you realize what's interesting, what has yet to be discovered, and you realize the best way to demonstrate information to people by doing both. So when I grow up, some form of professor that teaches and does research.